Hey car lovers, imagine transforming your daily drive into a next-level experience. What if I told you there are 16 amazing car gadgets, all available on Amazon, that could make your ride safer, cooler, and way more fun? Ready to discover the little things that'll change how you drive forever? Let's dive in. Starting with the car headrest tablet holder. Say goodbye to restless kids and bored passengers. This adjustable mount locks your tablet securely to the back of your headrest, creating an instant entertainment station. Whether it's movies, games, or GPS maps, the 360-degree swivel allows perfect viewing from any angle. Plus, the anti-slip design keeps your device steady even on bumpy roads. No more whining on long road trips. Just tap play and cruise in peace. Links to this and every gadget are in the description below. Next up, the Syncwire magnetic car phone holder. Tired of clunky mounts that block your vent or fall off mid-drive? This holder uses strong neodymium magnets to grip your phone like a pro, while staying ultra-compact. Its flexible 360-degree rotation and sleek metal frame blend into any dashboard. Whether you're using GPS or jamming to Spotify, your phone stays locked in place. And the best part? No more fumbling or adjusting. Just snap and go. Ever wish your car could smell like a luxury hotel? Meet the smart Car Air Freshener. This isn't your average tree-shaped dangler. It uses smart timing technology and solid fragrance cartridges that last weeks. Turn it on and enjoy refreshing bursts of scent without overpowering your ride. It's quiet, sleek, and fits perfectly in your cup holder or dashboard. Trust me, one ride with this, and your passengers will ask what cologne your car's wearing. Straining your neck to check speed or GPS. Upgrade with a heads-up display for cars. This futuristic unit reflects your speed, navigation, and driving data directly onto your windshield. No more looking down, just keep your eyes on the road while staying fully informed. Compatible with most cars via OBD2 or GPS mode, it adapts to your ride with ease. Clean visuals, real-time data, and safer driving, that's a triple win. Snack attack or laptop emergency? Enter the Lebogner steering wheel tray. This dual-sided tray hooks instantly onto your wheel, turning your parked car into a mobile office or lunch table. One side has a flat surface with a cup holder for meals, while the other side has a deep groove perfect for holding a laptop or notepad. Whether you're working on the go or grabbing fast food, this tray keeps things neat, stable, and surprisingly stylish. And if you're loving the vibe so far, remember, all the gadgets in this video are linked in the description. Tap it to check prices or grab your favorites. Meet your car's new cleaning MVP, the foam cannon. Just connect it to a pressure washer, and this cannon blasts thick foam across your vehicle, clinging to every crevice and lifting dirt effortlessly. It saves time, reduces scratches, and makes washing feel less like a chore and more like a car spa day. Adjustable foam output means you control the mess, and its heavy-duty bottle holds plenty of solution for multiple washes. Need more cargo space without losing seat room? The Backseat hanging car trunk organizer is a genius fix. Hanging off your backseat headrests, it turns unused vertical space into high-capacity storage. Perfect for tools, groceries, toys, or emergency gear with multiple pockets and a foldable design. It stays secure, doesn't block rear vision, and keeps your trunk floor clean and clutter-free. Organization never looked this easy. Next, the Airmoto portable tire inflator. This pocket-sized powerhouse pumps up your car, bike, or sports gear tires with precision. Set your desired PSI, press start, and let the inflator do its thing, automatically stopping when it hits the target. The built-in flashlight and compact design make it ideal for roadside emergencies. No cords? No problem. Its rechargeable battery means freedom to inflate anywhere, anytime. Protect your car inside and out with the front and rear dash cam. With 1080p dual lens recording, it captures crystal clear footage from both ends of your ride. Think of it as a security system on wheels, whether you're parked or driving. Features like night vision, loop recording, and parking mode ensure you never miss a moment. And in case of accidents, you've got undeniable proof at your fingertips. Mid-drive flat tire, you'll love the electric car jack. Just plug it into your 12-volt outlet, press a button, and watch it lift your car with ease. No manual pumping, no stress. It's perfect for sedans or SUVs and includes a built-in flashlight for nighttime emergencies. Durable, compact, and way safer than those rusty crank jacks. Get lifted in style. Quick reminder, if you're ready to gear up, all Amazon links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's decode your check engine light with the ANCEL AD310 OBD2 Scanner. This plug-and-play tool reads and clears trouble codes from most vehicles made after 1996. It's great for DIY repairs or avoiding unnecessary mechanic visits. The large LCD screen and simple navigation make diagnostics a breeze. No subscription, no app needed, just direct data, right when you need it. Next up, the Retractable Car Charger. This gadget brings tangle-free charging to your dash. With retractable USB-A and USB-C cables, it supports fast charging for both Android and Apple devices. The coiled design keeps your setup clean, while the dual-port plug delivers plenty of juice on the go. No more cables cluttering your console, just clean energy, fast. Power your gadgets on the go with this 150-watt Car Power Inverter. Plug it into your car's outlet and get access to an AC port and dual USB ports. Whether it's your laptop, camera battery, or mini fridge, this inverter keeps your essentials running. Built-in safety features protect against overload and overheating. It's compact, reliable, and road trip approved. Keep tabs on what matters with the GPS Smart Tracker. Hide this compact device inside your vehicle, luggage, or even a backpack, and track it in real time from your phone. Whether you're monitoring teen drivers or guarding against theft, its app gives you location history, movement alerts, and geofencing. Peace of mind, one ping at a time. Frozen roads. No match for the AstroAI snow shovel. This lightweight, collapsible tool tucks into your trunk and unfolds into a rugged snow mover. Its extendable aluminum shaft and ergonomic handle make it easy to dig out your car after winter storms without breaking your back. Strong enough for serious snow, yet compact enough for any car kit. And finally, don't let snow stop your commute. These snow socks for tires wrap around your wheels to add instant grip on ice and slush. Easier to install than chains and lighter to store, they're ideal for unexpected snow days. Just slip them on, drive safe, and remove when the road's clear. They're reusable, eco-friendly, and surprisingly quiet on the move. And that wraps up our list of must-have car gadgets that can seriously upgrade your driving game. If you found something you liked or just love discovering cool gear, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome car accessories, and share this video with your fellow car lovers. And hey, all the Amazon links are right there in the description below. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and keep your ride looking sharp.